See, the snow is back, and it's heavy. I'm gonna give it, see, it's heavy. It's very heavy.
Updates for today. Well, we know there's a blizzard coming to the northeast. There's a giant northeastern coming. I found it very interesting that they had a journalist, I guess it was in Pennsylvania, asking the question, where did this come from? We didn't notice it until like the day before or something. Now it's coming up. Where did this storm come out of? So that was very interesting. That was on CNN. And everyone just be prepared. I'll give you your news updates in a moment. I did watch the mayor of New York state that if anybody was caught on the street after 11 p.m., this I saw on CNN, that it's against the law. It's a misdemeanor. You're going to be fined $300. You're going to be fined $300 or $350. You can't be on the sidewalk. You can't be on the street from 11 p.m. tonight until this stuff's over. I assume sometime tomorrow, possibly. So everyone stay indoors. Don't be out. You gotta put paper down for your dogs. Put newspaper down. If you gotta put plastic underneath the newspaper, that might be a good idea, just so it won't ruin your floors. Don't attempt to walk the dog out in the snow. Put paper down. Put the paper down on the floor, and put plastic, like a plastic bag or something underneath it, so that if they do go on it, it doesn't go through to the floor. It's not very hard. Alrighty then, it looks like it's cutting in and out. Now, also, I don't know if it's going to affect the power grid, so everyone else be prepared on the East Coast and downwind of this storm. Just be prepared. We might lose internet. We might, even though we're not in the upper states, it still can affect, I think, everything. The grid, everything. This is like and it's like almost like a martial law is in effect, basically. If you can't be out on the street, curfew hits at 11 p.m. Right now it's 8:47 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Then stay indoors. Be close to home. Have your supplies. Make sure if there's some elderly person they don't understand and you think they're going to go out, you got to explain to them. They can check on the elderly now. You're going to run out of time. Alrighty then, you got only until approximately 11 p.m. Looks like this is cutting in and out too, so hopefully this video will fly. Alright, let me give you some of the other news. Other than that, I found it very interesting that this was the day the asteroid was flying by. So, if you have nothing to do, I would take telescopes and point them towards the windows. People who are not in the upper states, I would point all telescopes to the sky. Maybe something's going on where they don't want you to see it. They might not want you to see something that's getting ready to fly by somewhere between 11 o'clock tonight, 11 p.m. and in the morning. I did notice a bunch of chemtrails yesterday and some today. Found that very interesting. And I did attach some helpful hints, as we saw yesterday. I just kept attaching things that I could find that might be helpful for people. Went to Alex Jones's channel on YouTube. Didn't see anything about this stuff going on about the blizzard. Looked at Tom Lipshoe's. He's talking about Yellowstone might have had a 5.3. He doesn't believe it. But I'm surprised he's not talking, giving a little prepper talk for those out there that are going to end up being stuck in their houses and homes or at friends' houses or wherever you have to go, but you can't be on the street or the sidewalk. It's almost a little taste of martial law, just just so you know. That's kind of like how it is. But if those who have telescopes, I would point them northeast. Point them to the skies. Right now my sky's real clear and in central Florida. Point your telescopes to the skies. Let's see if there's something else going on out there. It's very important, I think. Because I believe having 2 feet of snow, I'm sure they've had that before, but we'll see what it develops into. Alrighty then, let's get on to some other news. The Watchers, watching the world. Moderate M1.1 solar flare erupts in region 2268. Extreme weather, major nor'easter to affect northeastern U.S. Alrighty then. ENA News, Energy News, Japan, Fukushima. Let's see. It's already running slow. Today, official, urgent worrisome situation at major dam with nuclear plants downstream. We don't know what's going on. You've got water able to get by that dam, coming out downstream, which, of course, shouldn't be happening, in quotes. Danger of collapse called not imminent. Danger of collapse called not imminent. Cracks found in another dam nearby, water seeping from bedrock. So they're having some kind of shift over there in Tennessee by the Boone Dam. I don't know, some kind of unstable land going on there. Let's go into breaking news, breakingnews.com. Now, NBC, let's see, there's a live stream that you can catch. It says live video, live camera from New York's Columbia Circle at NBC News. So you can watch there. There's a live stream camera. Right now, I don't really see a lot of snow from this camera or a big storm. So, again, if you have telescopes and you're not in New York, say you're further down, like you're in Florida and everywhere, start pointing your telescopes to the northeast. All you home astronomers, okay? I think something's going on. It's just my gut feeling, as you say. My other thing is, why don't they just have HARP? Why don't they just have HARP? Hit it with some lasers, some frequencies, and get rid of the storm. How's that? I'm sure they're capable of doing that. With everyone's tax dollars, I would assume they're capable of doing that. Well, let's see. BreakingNews.com is not doing anything right now. It is jammed. Here we go. Let's see if we can get it to move. Nah, I think there's a lot of people on here trying to find out stuff. Here we go. New Hampshire Governor Maggie Hassan declared state of emergency ahead of winter storm. That was 1 hour ago. What else we got? Amtrak, it's gone. I think Amtrak is suspending service right now. I can't see it. Everything's moving so slow. There must be a lot of people on this side or something. Plus, I don't know. Now that everyone's going to be stuck inside, I'm going to imagine that some websites are going to be swamped with people. Okay, Amtrak says it suspends Northeast Regional and Acela Express service between New York and Boston on Tuesday due to storm. 3 of Rhode Island's major bridges to close at 12 a.m. Eastern Standard Time as weather reaches whiteout conditions, police say, coming out of Projo. Update, more than 6,500 flights and above out of U.S. Northeast canceled due to storm, coming out of AP 2 hours ago. Max, come here. Where are you? Come here, Max. Max, stop rolling around and come here. Max. Max, stop hamming it up down there. Come here. They want to see who's barking, who's growling. Come here. Come here. Thank you, Tim. Come here, Max. Come here. Come here. 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 Now. Here, you want to see the doggy? Here. Let's get off of this and we'll see the doggy. There you are. Do you see the doggy? Oh. What is it? Go down. Come here, Kev. Here, you want to say hello to him? Oh. Oh, what happened? Look, there's the doggy. Say hello to everybody. See, now he's back to... He doesn't like that news that I'm giving. He's rolling around growling. Max! It'll be okay. You're inside. You gotta stay inside. Okay? Yeah? You're a happy boy now. Alright. Make sure your pets are inside. Not like... I mean, actually inside where they'll be warm. Not out in some garage or something. Alright? See if you can take your pets inside for a night, even if you have to lock them in the bathroom. And you have only just about 2 hours and 5 minutes. Alrighty then. So be safe, be prepared for anything. If I hear anything else, I'm going to put it in the recent uploads for you guys, alright? And just be safe out there. If you need to get something out of your car, get it out of your car now. Don't, you have medication or something that's in the car. You left something in the car. You cannot go out to the street, go out into your driveway, I believe, because if there's sidewalk there, you're going to get a $300 fine. So please make sure whatever's in your car that you need, be it books for school, be it medication, be it something important, your purse, whatever you left in the car, make sure it's in the house. Alrighty then. Now, I might attach this also, this one thing, it looks like clay little flower pots. Those little clay terracotta like type flower pots, and then you can make a little heater out of them. I'm going to attach that one. This girl was showing people how to make those in case your power goes out and you need something to heat it up. Or if you're watching me right now, you can research that. Flower pots put out heat. There's all different kinds of videos on how to make these things. And if I see one, I'll put one up there for you. That's not too long. The simplest one. Alrighty then, get your thermals on. See, it's not as cold as up there, but when you're used to the heat and your blood thins, it's cold here too. And our temperature's getting ready to drop. It's starting to drop. Right now. It's been pretty cold all day for us. Alrighty then. Just be safe. Your pets are safe. And you were prepared for anything, like I told you. Alrighty then. I'll see you tomorrow on the flip side, and anything else going on, I'll post it. And remember, people with telescopes, I would start pointing it to the skies. Even if you're inside your house and the sky is clear, you can't go outside. Point them out the window. You know, point them facing the window. I bet you something's going on. Because I don't see any news about this. It took a long time for me to find something off of BP Earthwatch's channel on the Asteroid that flew by and maybe disturbed something in the asteroid belt. We don't know. And it took a long time. I'm surprised Alex Jones isn't doing anything about any stories right now. It's not posted on his YouTube channel. Neither is Tom Lipshoes, not talking about the cold. I think Thor News is, so I'm going to go check him out in a few minutes. But BP Earthwatch I did attach after this video. Alright, take care. Be safe. Maybe I'll put a fireplace up again after this. Alright, take care. I might put some vines just to keep you laughing. Alrighty.
Okay, I keep hearing these calls for me. I open my door and, oh, Mr. Eagle keeps calling me. Oh, and then I have a fox. He's very quiet. And then I got the cat out here. And the other cat. No, Suitcase. You can't come in right now. No. Well, you want to come in the house too? No. Little fox. No. You want to come in the house and warm up?